Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. One of the best things to do in Corfu is to rent a boat, which we did. We paid 90 euros for a full day and sail away, sail away. The engine is not that big, only 25cc, but is enough to take you up and down the island. James? Ooh. Ah, it's professional. Nice. Hello, puppy. James, you ready?
Yep.
Go. Nice. Dad, you ready? Yes. Make sure when you go to Corfu you grab some snorkels or some goggles, because you're gonna need that. The water is so nice, so clear, so warm, and is worth to dive deep. In the cave now. Let's go back slowly. Hi, watch your back. No, come, Rush, come here. Come, Rush. Ooh, that's nice too.
Okay, deep.
Oh yeah.
My bad, guy.
Go deeper. Oh no. Whoa, that's loud. You can go on the other side.
Oh no, I am not doing that.
How is it?
Scary.
Scary?
Very scary.
Very quite scary. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm going!
You can't say anything.
Yeah. Oh, I got the other side! Oh, but you need goggles to go in there. Oh my god! Yo, can't touch this. You gotta be kidding me, guys! Woo! That's nice!
You
can go up, but no.
I'm not gonna do it, I'm scared.
You can check with your goggles if you go out or not, but you don't know how long it is. That's the thing.
Oh, but it's light, they should. But let me check, I'm not gonna go, but let me check.
Wow, easy. Be careful. You can go out! And it's open?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have a glass?
No, listen. I grease it cook careful, because I'm a bit like all that.
Okay. James!
vezi dal bine.
This is Peristeres Island and Lighthouse, a small lighthouse, sometimes called the Caparelli Light or Tinisio Light, and it was built by the British during their rule of Ionian Island back to 1828. The first light may have been a simple column holding a beacon which burned olive oil. By 1872, the beacon needed to be replaced and a sturdy stone tower was built. Unfortunately, the 1882 lighthouse is now in ruins due to earthquakes and attacks by German bombers during World War II. Cassiopi is the largest village in the northeast of Corfu. It's roughly 35 kilometers from Kerkira and 1 hour drive from the airport. Cassiopi is an attractive village based around the harbor. This is where you'll find a number of restaurants with great views where you can sit and watch the world go by whilst enjoying a local wine or a glass of mythos with your meal. There's also ample accommodation available, shopping opportunities and late-night bars, as well as peaceful headland walks and pretty views of Mount Pantocrator. Cassiopi really is a beautiful place with a lot to offer.
Bună salut. Uite, uite, cum
I recommend Cassiopi to those that want to explore the north of the island, those who want good nightlife, and in particular those who enjoy a boat trip or two. The only downside is the distance to Corfu town.
Oh, that was clever.
We died.
Are you ready, puppy?
I'm ready. Back to the hotel.
Nu stai acolo.
Maxim.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, and okay.
That's all from our boat trip. I hope you enjoyed the views, and if you want, of course, take your time and visit Corfu.